how to create account on your Bitcoin application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create your account on a short time in your Bitcoin application. So first thing, simply head over to your Bitcoin application, and once you're inside Bitcoin application, simply click on either your Gmail like this, your email, or you can also sign in with your Google application, Google account. Simply click on the Google account option. Let's say I want to sign in with this account, and simply click on it, click on continue like this, and it will ask you for some time for it to authenticate and load it like this. And as you can see, this is the dashboard, and I have successfully logged in, signed in as my Gmail account, with my Gmail account. And for your backup and security, you can also turn the cloud backup on like this, and you can also use the manual backup method from here over here, and just like that. That is it guys, that's exactly how you can easily create your account on Bitcoin application inside 2 minutes. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.